Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best pressure washers that you should buy. Let's get started. To begin with is the Simpson Cleaning MSH 3125. One of the best pressure washers on the market is the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot gas pressure washer. This powerful machine houses a Honda GC190 engine for reliable power, and it delivers a whopping 3,200 psi using 2.5 gallons per minute, also referred to as GPM, making it ideal for use on your house, driveway, patio furniture, car, painted surfaces, and more. This pressure washer has a heavy-duty welded steel construction frame and 10-inch pneumatic tires for increased stability, and it weighs in at 55 pounds. Second on the list is the Ryobi 3000 PSI 2.3 GPM. The Ryobi 3000 PSI Honda pressure washer is another top-rated model that's worth considering. With its Honda GCV 160 gasoline engine, this pressure washer delivers 3,000 psi of force that will make quick work of dirt, mold, and grime on driveways, fences, cars, and other surfaces. It uses 2.3 GPM, and its 35-foot non-marring hose provides a long reach for those tough-to-reach areas. Unlike our top pick, the Ryobi pressure washer has an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application, and its 5-in-1 nozzle delivers maximum versatility. Next up is the Sunjoe 2030 Max PSI 1.76 GPM 14.5 amps. Electric power washers are easier to maintain, no oil changes necessary, but the downside is you have to be in close proximity to an electric outlet. One of the most highly rated electric models today is the Sunjoe electric pressure washer, which delivers 2,030 psi at 1.76 GPM. This affordable unit is equipped with dual detergent tanks, and it comes with 5 quick connect spray tips to help you tackle all sorts of cleaning tasks. Fourth on the list is the Karcher K5 Premium. Want to wash your car without scrubbing it by hand? A pressure washer like the Karcher K5 will get the job done in no time. This electric power washer delivers up to 2,000 psi at 1.4 GPM, and it has an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application. The Karcher K5 has up to 40 times as much pressure as a garden hose, and it includes 2 wands, the Vario for everyday cleaning and the Dirt Blaster for tough jobs. Last but not least is the Greenworks 1500 psi 13 amp 1.2 GPM. Will you just need to tackle small jobs with your pressure washer? In that case, a more affordable model like the Greenworks pressure washer will serve you just fine. This budget-friendly model dials back the power to 1500 psi and 1.2 GPM, making it ideal for smaller projects such as cleaning patio furniture and washing your car. This lightweight electric pressure washer weighs just 17 pounds and includes a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.